Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 9 to 12, 21 and 23 of exercise 21b. See the question number 9. If the mean of 8, 10, 7, x plus 2 and 6 is 9, then find the value of x. Here 8, 10, 7, x plus 2 and 6, they are 5 terms which we have to add, and they have already given us the mean, that is 9. So what we will do here, they have given us mean is equal to 9. Sum of values over number of values is equal to mean. Put the values 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus x plus 2 plus 6. They are 5 in number, divided with 5. Mean they have already given, that is 9. When we are going to add these numbers, we will get 33 plus x, and this 5 will shift to other side. It will become 45. Now in next step, what we will do, we will shift this 33 to other side. It will going to subtract from 45. So what is the answer here? X is equal to 12. The question number 10 is find the mean of first 6 multiples of 3. First of all, you will write the first 6 multiples of 3, that are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Add them and divide it with 6. When you are going to add them, they will are coming 63 over 6. 63 and 6 both are coming in 3's table. So after cutting, 21 over 2 will come. When you divide 21 with 2, you will get the answer in decimals 10.5. Question number 12 is the mean of 6 numbers, that is x minus 5, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 12 is 15. Find the mean of first 4 numbers. So first of all, we will find the value of x. After that, when we find the value of x, we are able to find out the first 4 numbers, and then we can find the mean of first 4 numbers. So mean of that 6 number is 15. So add that 6 numbers and divide them with 6. Okay, when we are going to add them, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x. This minus 5 and minus 1 will become minus 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 12, 18. Okay, so 18 minus 6 is 12, and this 6 is going to other side. It is going to multiply. 6s is equal to 15 into 6, 90. This 12 is going to shift this side. It is going to subtract from 12. 90 minus 12 will give 78. X is equal to 78 over 6. That is x is equal to 13. So first 4 numbers are you already given there, x minus 5, x minus 1, x and x plus 2. Put the value of x, 13 minus 5, 13 minus 1, 13, 13 plus 2. That is 8, 12, 13, 15. Now find the mean of these 4 numbers by adding them and dividing them with 4. When we are going to add them, we got 48. Divide 48 with 4, 12. So what is the answer here? 12. Now see question number 21. Find the median of 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17, 2, 23 and 19. To find the median, first of all, arrange the given observations in a ascending order. I have arranged them here. Okay, in ascending order. Now count how many terms are there. These are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is an odd number. Whenever the number of terms are in an odd number, what you will do, you will add in number of terms 1 and divide it with 2, and you will get the term. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 over 2, fifth term. So here what is the median? Fifth term. So what is the answer here? 11. Okay. In the same way, for second part also, write the given observations in ascending order. Here number of terms are 7. So add 1 in 7 and divide it with 2. So here which term we will take as a median? 4 term. So what is the fourth term here? 9. Now see third part. In third part, number of terms are 10. So when number of terms is a even number, first of all arrange them in a ascending order. By mistake I left 22, so I make a arrow here to write 22. So number of terms 10. Divide that number with 2. So we will take the fifth term and sixth term, add fifth and sixth term and divide it with 2. That will give you the median. Here fifth and sixth term is 20. So 20 plus 20, 40 over 2, 20 is the answer here. To do the fourth part also, again write in ascending order. Here number of terms 11. So 11 plus 1, 12 over 2. Here what is the median? 6 term is the median. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the 6 term here? 6.5. Now see question number 23. Find the mode of. What is the mode? Mode is the number in the observation which is occurring maximum time, means whose frequency is maximum. So you can see here 5. 5 is occurring 2 times here. 6 is occurring 5 times. 9 is 1 time. 13 is 1 time. 7 is 1 time. Okay, so you can arrange them like this. So which number is coming maximum time? That is 6. 6 number is coming maximum time, that is 5. What answer will come? 6. So what is the mode here? 6. In the same way you can see arrange the second part also. In second part number 10 is coming 3 times.